Dito sa sa Cebu City, Region 7, we are still implementing yung hulihan sa aftermarket na muffler or yung mga kalkal na mga tambutso. Because during the dialogue of Sir Busita and Attorney Santiago Viltio, still yung the prevail na explanation ay kay Attorney Santiago. That's why here in Cebu City we are still implementing that kind of violation. Aftermarket, ma-impound ka or makuha yung tambutso mo plus temporary operator's permit, still yung mga haka-haka dit na na okay na sa Region 7 yung aftermarket, hindi pa rin yun okay. So yung mga lahat ng mga muffler, mga big bike man or or kalkal, as long as hindi yung original or yung stock pipe na pagbili mo ng motorcycle mo, still matitikitan ka pa rin ng temporary operator's permit. May iba namang lugar na accordingly okay na yung nila, yung sa muffler nila. Parang parang sa Davao ata. Pero dito sa Region 7, lahat ay nag-i-implement pa rin ng hulihan ng muffler. Kaya yung mga pupunta dito, magdala ng motor from other region or other region, huwag nyo munang ilagay yung muffler nyo. Stock lang ang ilagay nyo sa tambutso kasi hindi pa talaga okay dito. May hulihan pa rin. Dami na mong nahuli, kaya daming napunta doon sa impounding area. Kaya as of now, just follow the rules that the LTO has commanded us, na hulihon talaga yun at saka ma-impound. But take note, hindi lahat ng PNP pwedeng manghuli dyan. Yung deputized lang sa LTO. May deputized dito sa Lapu-Lapu, sa Mandaue, sa Cebu City, the HPG and LTO itself na sila, we are authorized to apprehend those kind of violation, aftermarket mufflers. So my advice, we are not happy to apprehend you because it is our right to buy, but we have to follow the law. That said, that yung aftermarket talagang huliin. Okay, and maybe one day baka ma-change yun. Alam nyo naman, the only constant in this world is change. Kaya we will just wait for that moment if darating man. Ako din, may muffler din ako, pero kinuha ko na. Stock na yung big bike ko. Kaya to those who has mufflers, then just follow to avoid penalties. Mahal yung penalty, 5K. Kaya 5K is 5K. Malamang sa mga mayayaman, okay lang yun. Pero yung mahirap, kasi ma-impound ka, dala ka ng stock pipe mo doon bago mo maklaim yung motorcycle mo, bago mo bayaran. Okay?